Hello traders, welcome to today's comprehensive analysis of the Nifty 50 index on our channel, India Trade Talk. We'll be combining the latest price action, open interest data and potential price action for the next session to give you a better picture of the market. We'll start with the current price action analysis. On the 5-minute chart, Nifty 50 has shown bullish momentum over the past week with some consolidation in the last session. The RSI is currently around 41. Indicating consolidation with a mild negative bias. Immediate support is around 22,850 to 22,800 with a resistance at 23,000 to 23,226. Moving to the 15-minute chart, the trend is neutral to bullish with the RSI around 50. The widening Bollinger Bands indicate increasing volatility and significant price movement in the coming sessions. Support levels are again at 22,850 and 22,800 with resistance at 23,000 and 23,050. We also see a bullish flag and pole pattern forming, indicating a bullish trend. On the daily chart, Nifty 50 continues its bullish trend, trading above both the 50-day and 200-day moving averages. The RSI is around 60, suggesting the market is in a strong position without being overbought. Widening Bollinger Bands indicate potential for significant price movements in the coming sessions. Key support levels are at 22,800 and 22,750, with resistance expected around 23,000 and 23,200. Let's now discuss the open interest data. The highest call OI is at 23,000. We can see similar levels of call OI at 23,100 and 23,200, indicating strong resistance at these levels. The highest put OI is at 23,000. The immediate resistance level of 22,800 also shows strong support zone based on OI data. There was some short covering at 22,900, 22,800 and 22,700 in the last session. However, the 23,000 level remains a very strong resistance if we don't see short covering at 23,000 strike. Let's now discuss some possible price action which we might see on 27th May. For a neutral scenario, we see an immediate support zone of 22,800 to 22,850 and immediate resistance of 23,000 to 23,226. If Nifty opens within this range and remains in this range in the first 15 minutes, we might see a high volatility and consolidation throughout the day. For a bullish scenario, consider buying at support levels around 22,850 to 22,800. Only if Nifty opens within 22,850 to 23,000 range, with a target of 23,000 and a hard stop loss at 22,744. If you see two consecutive candles closing below 22,800, we should still close the trade in loss. Alternatively, for a breakout trade, enter above 23,050 after a 15-minute candle closes above this level, targeting 23,200 with a hard stop loss at 22,950. If we see two consecutive candles closing below 23,000, we should still close the trade in loss. For a bearish scenario, consider shorting around the resistance level of 23,000 with a target of 22,850. Only if Nifty opens within 22,850 to 23,000 range. We should keep a hard stop loss at 23,050 level. If you see two consecutive candles closing between 23,026 and 23,050, we should still close the trade in loss. Alternatively, for a breakdown trade, enter below 22,750 with a target of 22,600 and a stop loss at 22,850. If you see two consecutive candles closing between 22,800 and 22,850, we should still close the trade in loss. To sum up, the Nifty 50 index shows a bullish trend across multiple time frames, supported by robust technical indicators and OI data. Keep an eye on the key levels mentioned for potential trading opportunities. Please note that we are not SEBI registered advisors. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute a buy or sell recommendation. Please consult your financial advisor before making a decision. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments.